Looking to do more than turning a wired CarPlay or Android Auto into a wireless one? Check this little gadget out. It puts Netflix and much more on my Kia Telluride's infotainment screen. Hi, this is David the Techful Baba. Welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing if you like useful tech for the family like me. In today's video, let's check out the Ottocast PICASOU 2 Pro CarPlay AI box. Not only does it turn my Kia Telluride's factory wired CarPlay and Android Auto into a wireless one, it turns my infotainment screen into a display for this little Android smart box which can run Netflix, YouTube, or any other Android apps. It works on most cars with built-in wired CarPlay or Android Auto from 2016 onwards. I'll put a link to the website on its compatibility. It came in this little white box that says Android AI adapter. Inside the box, there's an Ottocast PICASOU 2 Pro, and user manual with colorful graphics, a card on how to plug the box into the car, and a box of cables. There are 3 of them. A bypass power cable, an USB-A to USB-C, and an USB-C to USB-C cable. The PICASOU 2 is in a rectangular box shape, like the size of a deck of playing cards. It measures 4 inches by 2.5 inches and about 3/4 of an inch thick. Weighs about 80 grams. It's all black and very smooth plastic to the touch, with taper edges around the top and the bottom. On the top, there is a raised Ottocast logo in silver and a little indicator light. On one side, there is a mini HDMI in port and a mini HDMI out port. Yes, this little box can input video and output video through these ports. There is a USB-C port for connecting to the car's CarPlay port and power. On the other side, there is an USB-A port that can be connected to a USB stick or drive for storage, and a nano SIM card slot for a cellular data SIM card. There are these nice round vents on both long sides for venting. The label and serial number are on the bottom. Too bad it doesn't have rubber feet to keep it from sliding around in the car. Okay, let's plug this into my 2020 Kia Telluride and try it out. Since my Telluride comes with an USB-A port for wired CarPlay, I followed the setup on the top diagram first. It says to use the supply power bypass cable, connect one end to power, and the other to PICASOU 2 using the other supply USB-A to USB-C cable. Oh, and here is the wireless CarPlay adapter I've been using for a couple of years. I'll put a link to my review video on it in the description below if you want to check it out after this one. Alright, so this is the supply power bypass cable and the USB-A to USB-C cable, connecting the USB-A port together on one end and the USB-C connector to the USB-C port of the PICASOU 2. Connect one USB-A end to the car's CarPlay port and the other to the USB-A power port next to it to supply power. Okay, let's start up the car and see if it powers on. The status light comes on, that's a good sign. Looks like it's booting up. There it is. PICASOU is starting. System is about to restart to correct the screen resolution. Cool, it knows to adjust automatically to the correct screen resolution. Let's fast forward. Great, the screen now fills the entire screen with the correct resolution. By the way, I also tried directly connecting the box to the car's CarPlay USB-A port with just an USB-A to USB-C cable. and I'm glad that also worked. It's a much simpler connection and it frees up the other USB-A port in the car. Now that it powers on, the first function I want to set up is Apple CarPlay. To set it up, the iPhone needs to be paired with PICASOU 2 via Bluetooth. Under Settings, Bluetooth Connected Devices, it says it will show up as PICASOU to other devices. And here under the Bluetooth menu on my phone, there it is. Choose it to connect. Waiting. Connecting. It takes several seconds. There it goes. Wireless CarPlay. Cool. I noticed there's very little lag using the CarPlay navigation wirelessly with the PICASOU 2 Pro, which is great. The box also stays relatively cool due to the bigger case and good venting holes on both sides. Now, the PICASOU 2 can do much more than turning wired CarPlay or Android Auto to wireless ones. Double swipe down from the top of the screen to bring up the drop-down menu. Hit this little icon on the lower left corner to exit CarPlay and return to the PICASOU's main menu. It's basically an Android interface. On the main page, there is a menu bar and a navigation widget on the left. There's a GPS built in, a favorite contact widget, a weather widget, a section for common apps, which could be modified with the long press, and a music widget on the upper right corner. Just like a phone or a tablet, there are then several pages of installed apps. It has a fast processor inside, so the pages scroll smoothly. Under Settings, there are setting items just like any Android system. Once a Wi-Fi connection is provided, either by a router or a phone hotspot, or with a SIM card inserted in the SIM card slot, the PICASOU works just like an Android tablet. Let's open up a browser. Chrome in this case is already installed. Let's search up for NVIDIA, NVIDIA, a popular search these days with all the AI discussions. Pick nvidia.com. Yeah, this works just like any web browser. How about YouTube next? Search for tech for Baba. Let's play one of the videos. Yep, you can stream YouTube too. Yeah, if your Canon inkjet printer has B200 errors, be sure to check this video out before throwing it away. Let's try another app, Netflix. Not sure about your family, but I often have to wait with a kid in the car for another kid to be done with their activities after school. So this is one great way to entertain ourselves. Of course, don't do this when driving. And that's not all. Since this is basically an Android system, Google Assistant works, and there are all kinds of apps available to install and use in the Play Store. The PICASOU 2 Pro retails for $379.99 US, and there are often big discounts in the links I'll put in the description below. There's even a promotion at the time of this video where Ottocast is including this mini HDMI cable and this cool Bluetooth Air remote. In addition to the normal remote control buttons and a direction pad, this remote has a built-in gyroscope that can control a cursor on the screen with hand movements. If all you need is to go from wired to wireless CarPlay or Android Auto in your car, there are smaller, more affordable devices such as the CarLink kit I've reviewed, link below, or the U2 Air CarPlay adapter from Ottocast. But if you want more functionalities, the ability to run streaming apps like YouTube or Netflix, or any Android apps for that matter. Basically, an Android smart device that uses the car's infotainment screen as a display, the PICASOU 2 Pro is it. Have you tried a powerful device like this one in your car before? Share your experience with us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and check out this video next. I'll see you in that next one. Until then, God bless and remember to cherish each moment.